All right, let's give it a shot. From Angryicy, I have this whiskey smoker kit. Thought I would take it out, check it out. Got a simple design here. It looks like you hold it to turn it off and on. You can set, which is pretty unique. You can set the time that you want this to smoke with a simple turn dial here. Loading it, we're gonna turn it off so I don't accidentally do anything. Loading it looks like, loading it involves filling up this little thing here, which has the heating element inside of it, and sliding it in level into this kit. Comes with typical brush, your tweezers, your spoon, and your recharging cable. So let's give this a go. Let's see if there's anything special I need to know. All right, let's do it. Let's try a little bit of the oak. It does come with 6 different flavors, but we're gonna go ahead and do the classic oak flavor here. We're gonna cover the heating element, but keep it nice and level below that. I think otherwise we were gonna have an issue. Let's go ahead and slide it in there. And we're gonna set it. We're gonna set it for 45 seconds. Go ahead and start that thing. And by the power of video editing, we're done. 45 seconds later, look at that. So clearly it works, and it works well. And what's interesting about this is you can see it didn't, I guess it smoked more, smoked a little bit of it, still had a bunch on the side that was barely charred. But this makes this nice and easy to clean out, being able to pull this out and remove it. I think you just gotta be careful with how much you put in it, and obviously the duration that you're gonna do it. Once you're done, you are gonna have to let it cool a little bit before throwing away. Overall, this is my first go around with this. It works as advertised, and I think it's gonna be fun to play around with it.